Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. My mom bought one of the shoes from Skechers on the previous week, and then after that we went back to CDDL the following week. We found out there was buy one get one 50% off. So let me show you the shoes that she got at first. So this is the first pair that she got, the one with the air cooled memory foam, Skechers Flex. So the shoes is pretty light and then pretty comfy because it's memory foam. She wears size 6.5. Somehow this one it shows for $59.99, but when she checked out it was like $44.99 when it was on sale. And originally she only bought this pair and made in China. So this one's a pretty nice color. This is laceless, so there's no lace at all. It's an elastic draw cord. So we ended up going back yesterday to return this one. Well, not actually returned, so because we want to get the buy one get one 50% off. So she got the other two pairs from Skechers. So she told me if I want a pair, then just ask me to get one. So this is a pair that I got for men's. Skechers Air Cool memory foam again. This one is 100% knit comfort fit. Absorbs impact, contours to most foot shapes. So this one is made in Vietnam, size 8.5. Somehow the Skechers they size a little bit big or half size bigger. So this is originally $75 and on sale for $64.99. So somehow we told the cashier we want to return this and then buy back, and somehow she put this as an original purchase. So she gave us a $64.99 instead of $44.99 credit back. So we end up making a $20 profit from this. Okay. So the difference, we only paid like $22.99 with tax, about 24 something, so less than $25 for this shoes. So I tried them out, it looks pretty nice, and then the color, it is almost like the, what is that, Static, the Easy Boost V2 that is coming out, and also the Easy 700. They have another one called the Static. So this was the tag that came out with it. And here is the other shoes. What? I guess both of them came out. Well, normally it's supposed to only come with one tag. So I know the outsole is pretty clean, so it's gonna get dirty fast since it's white color. And there's a pull tab right here, and then another one by the tongue. It's a pretty nice cushioning. I tried them on. It's pretty comfortable. And then this is the shoes that looks the most trendy. So let's go ahead and check out this one. This one is started from previous week. Buy one get 150% off, same thing. And this one shows $49.99, and the other one shows $59.99. Check this one out real quick. So this one is a pretty nice color as well, as you can see. Not sure if this is any 3M reflective or not. And again, you got the pull tag, the real heel cup, and then on the front of the tongue or the top. And all of them has a memory foam. And here's the other side. And again with this memory foam tag. The size label is right there. Finally, let's go ahead and check out this one right here. This one is more multicolor with some kind of sparkle, silver sparkling. Pretty nice. Low profile. So there's no pull tab on the back of the heel cup, only on the front. So there's a memory foam air cool again. This one is the relax fit. So let me try to turn this on. This one looks kind of like a 3M reflective. Let me turn on the flash and check them out for all you guys. So it's not reflective. Nope. So I guess none of them are reflective. Nope. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.